Hi friends, welcome to our channel Stock Informer. Let's dive into today's stock discussion.
Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. We're diving deep today into one of the most anticipated tech IPOs of the season, Excelsoft Technologies. We'll break down their business, their soaring profits, and a massive risk factor that every investor needs to know about. Let's get started. First, who is Excelsoft? They are a global vertical SaaS company focused entirely on digital learning and assessment technology. They are the plumbing for the digital education world. They create platforms for online test delivery, smart analytics, AI-powered question generation, and secure proctoring solutions. Their client base is diversified geographically, serving 76 clients across 19 countries. This global presence and niche focus on the edtech sector are major tailwinds driving their growth. The beauty of their model is that it's a SaaS model, meaning high scalability and recurring revenue. This is exactly what the market loves in a tech stock. Now let's look at the numbers because this is where it gets interesting. While revenue growth has been steady, the real story is their profitability. Their profit after tax or PAT jumped from about 12.75 crore in FY24 to nearly 35 crore in FY25. That's a staggering 172% increase year over year. This kind of surge indicates significant operating leverage kicking in, which means their cost base is stable while their revenues are scaling efficiently. Furthermore, the company is almost debt-free with a D/E ratio of just 0.07, a very strong balance sheet. The 180 crore rupees they are raising from the fresh issue is earmarked for future growth, specifically for IT infrastructure and expanding their Mysore facility. This shows a clear plan to scale capacity. Let's talk valuation. At the upper price band of 120 rupees and based on their recent super profitable year, FY25 price to earnings ratio, or P/E, comes out to approximately 34.58 times. Now compared to the broader edtech/SaaS sector average, which is often above 100 times, this P/E multiple looks reasonable. However, we must be careful. Compared to other mid-sized, high-growth IT companies, some analysts believe this valuation is still aggressively priced and already bakes in the high-growth expectations for the next few years. You're paying for future potential. This is the most crucial part of the analysis. The biggest risk facing Excelsoft is extreme client concentration. In fiscal year 25, a massive 59% of their revenue came from just one client, the Pearson Education Group. This is a major red flag. If Excelsoft were to lose the Pearson contract, or if the contract terms were renegotiated significantly, their revenue and profitability would take a severe hit overnight. This single risk outweighs many of their positive fundamentals. The second risk is the structure of the IPO itself. 64% of the issue size is an offer for sale, OFS. This means 320 crore rupees goes to existing promoters and shareholders, not into the company to generate future growth. We also have the usual risks of high competition and the inherent volatility of the global edtech sector. So where do we land? The pros are strong. Excellent profitability, a specialized niche, and a clean balance sheet. But the cons are serious. That over-reliance on Pearson is a business model vulnerability that cannot be ignored. This IPO is best suited for long-term investors with a high risk tolerance who are fundamentally bullish on the global growth of AI and assessment in the education space. For short-term listing gains, the high risk makes it a tricky bet. What are your thoughts on this IPO? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this analysis helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dive analyses. Thanks for watching.
Please consider liking this video. For continuous access to our expert analysis on Indian share market results and announcements, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Your support by sharing this video with your network is also highly valued. Thank you for tuning in.